mu maso.
What are you? Some broke dick Popeye?
Uri ikigoryi cyacitse kabanda.
Let me guess. You're captain of the
Reka mfombose menyo ari kapiteni w'ikipe yo koga.
And used to practice the break.
We na sheri wawe mukaba mwarajyaga mwoga nawe ugakeka ko uri umuhanga mu byo koga.
You got a pair.
Aradidimanga. Mama umugore wanjye.
I seen your record. You knocked her up sophomore year.
Aradidimanga.
Well, maybe you can bring the little
umugore wawe soza muzanya naramwigana.
This breaststroke. I heard you were a hell of a swimmer, Snowy.
Barambye ngo umuhanga mu koga. Wabaye wa mbere muri leta y'iwanyu. Yego Master Chief n'uwa mbere mu koga muri leta y'iwacu. Wari wa mbere mu koga muri piscine. Egera imbere Snow Hill.
Mark.
Teri nambwe yegera imbere. Arahindukira. Fanda fayo. Kubita munda. Icyo kintu ngwaye ntukire kure. Urava mu mazi aruko ngo hamagaye. Mujugunya mu mazi. Nyagasani. None bana bikangamo nta mikino iri hano. Nuko ngo bino bintu byo koga ntago bizwamo n'abantu bimbwa bimbeba. Hano nuko uvuga ngo winjira mu mazi ugiye kudayifinga wambaye ikote ripima amapawundi 200 ni hafi biro byenda kugera mu ijana ndakeka 29 na
3 feet in front of him buck naked. The only way to survive is to trust each other.
Uburyo bwo kurokoka ni ukwizerana.
Next to you.
Icyo ufite mu mazi ni mugenzi we mwamanukanye ugomba kugutabara.
The very, very best. Now get out of my sight.
Mumve mu maso mwabaginga mwe mugende. Bose baragiye. Afanda ajugunye umunyeshuri mu mazi wa mwirabura yanze kugenda kari. Kiramo n'ubwoba ni mushutwe niwe muntu wamwakiranye urugwiro.
Permission to relieve the man.
Murusha njye kumutabara mu mazi afande.
What are you, Cookie?
Uri igiki Cookie? Ushaka kwigira intwari hano?
I got no room in my place.
Hano nta ntwari dukeneye.
Wife and kids to worry about. You read me? Flunk me.
Nimba ushaka guhana njye hana njye ariko uriya musore mubabarire.
Flunk you. You're gonna do that all.
Wewe n'ubundi nawe ndaza kuguhana. Uriya muginga ngo yari azi koga.
Permission to relieve him.
Urusha njye kumukura amazi.
He can hold his breath for over 4 minutes.
Turagira ngo tureke ko yafunga umwuka iminota igera muri 4. Umusore yese azamuka.
I believe God has made Snow Hill's a liar. Now we're men of honor, ain't we?
Petro abagabo b'icyubahiro batubeshya ko ari uwa mbere mu koga. Mise wirukana ku ikosi ryanjye.
Make for sure. You have your barracks to yourself.
Nyagasani. Sibashaka uri wenyine ugiye kujya urara wenyine mu nzu wenyine. Ibaze ko uyu muzungu bamujijije ko ashyigikira umwirabura gusa bamwirukanye ku ikosi. Bahise bamwirukana. Ugomba kuzinga icyo kintu ukakizamukana. Sinzi baba bamusha kwigira abandi diver. Ugukora neza ushaka gukora neza n'abantu ugiye gusoza. Bakuzirika ku maso ukazirika ikintu. Ageze arasanga wa mwirabura bayakirangije kandi bakiri kurwana nacyo arabarusha. Bino bigo by'ibyirabura bitangiye kujya biturusha. Ageze amanota 37.
If you fail the next
watsinze examen utanu itsindwa tuzakwirukana. Ageze amanota 37.
Control of this camp.
Haba hari abantu bicaye hejuru bari gukontorora ino nkambi turimo. Niwongera gutsindwa uzirukanwa. Yagize 30 na kwijana.
This is weekend living.
Iyi weekend niyo kwibohora. Tugiye kuba ikibari musohoke mujye kuryoshya.
One night stands may be over by morning, but syphilis lasts.
Mwibuke ko mushobora kujya hanze tusubira mu nyanja ukoga cyangwa se ukadayivinga hasi nuko rino kote ripima mu paundi 290 waryambara ugatera intambwe 12. Iri si ryo kote basanzwe bambara. Iri ngo niryazaza ariko babaye barizanye biraremereye cyane rigeze mu paundi 290. Uriya musore wakaguru kamwe sinzi ko yaryambara agatera intambwe 12. Barakinze.
Could you do that, Senior Chief?
Ibyo wabishobora Senior Chief Brasher. Kintu gipima amapaundi 290.
Yes, sir,
yego nabishobora yaremeye. Byiza.
I see.
Ndabibona.
As much as I hate to prolong.
Nubwo nanga kushaka gutinza bino bintu. Reka dutegure rero ubwo igihe undi muhuru uzabera. Uzatwereke ko wabishobora. Umva.
Now.
Ngiye kubibereka none hamwe ininza. Mva mu nzira cyangwa ukura amenyo. Barakumbwiye. Ntabwo nyakwa ari ahantu heza ko ngiye ndashaka kubikora none aha nambara ikote mbibereke. Wait, danger. Ndana kugira ngo urikire reka bikora neza. Rebe musazi.
The slippery floors alone prohibit such a demonstration, sir.
Chief Sunday, haven't you had enough trouble in your career?
Ese nta bibazo byinshi ufite muri kariyeri yawe ku buryo uza guteza ibindi?
Who is this man?
Wininde.
Chief Leslie W.
Bayita Chief Leslie. Master Chief.
Swam out of the St. Louis.
Wowe watabaye muri Central.
Take off.
No mu kigobe cya Leyete. Niwe watabaye abantu.
Held your breath.
Wafunze ngo umwuka wawe
Foreman.
iminota ine yose sha.
Five, sir.
Ni itanu nafunze umwuka iminota 5 ntabara abantu.
He can stay.
Uyu ni intwari y'igihugu sha nagume hano baramwanga ariko ni intwari. Urebe.
Relevant.
Hari ikimwanga ariko ni intwari.
Sirs, returning to the issue at hand.
Tugaruke ku kibazo papa bite.
This is not the time or place.
Hano ntago cyari cyugiye nta nubwo ariho hantu byari kubera.
Excuse me, Senior Chief.
Senior Chief, hari ikibazo ufite abonye umwana winjira mu rukiko.
Captain Hank,
Captain Hanks,
I have spent most of my life.
namaze ubuzima bwanjye bwose ngerageza gutsinda mu gisirikare.
Quest has come at a great personal loss to those who love me.
Icyo gihe cyabaye nk'igihombo ku bankunda kuko nabaga ndi mu gisirikare.
I've endured great pain.
Nanyuze mu buribwe bwinshi kugira ngo
Walk these
ngere hano bakanshyigikira. Nintera izo ntambwe 12 uyu munsi
active duty
murahita munsubiza mu gisirikare,
career back.
munsubize kariyeri yanjye,
Finish it and go home and
nirangirize kariyeri y'igisirikare nzasubire mu rugo amahoro ingesheje igihe cyo kwegura.
Senior Chief Brashear.
Senior Chief Brashear,
Business of the modern age.
ubucuruzi rero bw'igisirikare cy'uyu munsi cyangwa se business y'igisirikare kirwanira mu mazi cy'uyu munsi,
forgive me, sir.
umbabarire nyakubahwa no guciye mu ijambo,
But to me, the Navy is not a.
kuri twebwe cyangwa se kuri iki gisirikare ntabwo ngifata nk'ubucuruzi cyangwa business.
We have many traditions.
Dufite imico myinshi mu gihugu cyacu,
Experience most of them.
cyane cyane imico yo mu gisirikare cyacu cy'abarwanira ku mazi, imwe ni myiza indi ni mibi,
However, I wouldn't be here today if it weren't for.
ariko imico y'abasirikare niyo tugendera, twe tubifata nk'umuco wo kurwanira igihugu no kugikunda, ntabwo igisirikare twe tugikora tugifata nk'ubucuruzi. Araseba.
Which one is that?
Mwe mubifata mute?
Honor, sir.
Twebwe tubifata nko kurwanira icyubahiro, tuba dukorera icyubahiro, ntabwo dukorera icyitwa ngo ni ubucuruzi. Filime bayise Men of Honor, n'abagabo b'icyubahiro. Abasirikare bari umuntu n'umugabo araseba, yaratangiye kuvuga ngo urabona ngo business rero y'igisirikare, ngo ubucuruzi bw'igisirikare kirwanira mu mazi aho kigeze. Umwana wabwiye twe tugendera ku muco mw'abasirikare barwanira mu mazi, dukorera kurwanira icyubahiro cy'igihugu, ntabwo twe turi mu bucuruzi, ntabwo twaje gucuruza. Iyo tuba turi abacuruzi twari kujya mu gihugu gucuruza inyanya n'amatelefone n'ibiki.
Get on with it. Senior Chief.
Rebe,